another science experiment, and we're making elephant toothpaste, and these are the ingredients. So we have some hydrogen peroxide that our parents already put in the bottle. Then we have some dish soap, dry yeast, and a little bowl,
and food coloring and some warm water.
And we have a funnel and a bottle and hydrogen peroxide inside. Do you guys know where we got the hydrogen peroxide? At a beauty store, and our dad had to go all the way to the beauty store just to get hydrogen peroxide.
I'm putting 3 tablespoons of water. I'm just going to do one already.
Okay, just do it. Now I'm gonna put some dry yeast in, and 1 tablespoon of that. Now we're gonna mix it for 30 seconds. Now we're gonna put 8 drops of food coloring in, 4 of blue and 4 of red. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of dish soap in. A tablespoon. Purplish black. We got our safety glasses. Now we're gonna pour our dry yeast in. It's gonna go once we put it in. There, take it out, take it out. Whoa! It's because of the bubbles. Oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't it supposed to be bubbly?
I didn't even expect this.
Now we're gonna try it with the water bottle. With this. It's called yeast. Oh. Oh no! I touched it! Howard, don't put that on the table. Oh my gosh! Like it's way bigger than the last one!
It's like a volcano.
Way bigger than the last one.
Yep, it's like a volcano.
Because I put a little bit more yeast in. I put like a half of a tablespoon more of yeast in. We used a smaller water bottle. Oh, I made it. Oh my gosh, it's warm.
It's warm.
Hope you guys like the elephant toothpaste. If you want to make it on your own, see the links below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.